The official syllogism in the US and pretty much every other Western country runs roughly like this. We can't ever have too much freedom. The more freedom people have, the better off they are. We should take every opportunity to enhance freedom when we can. If we agree to that, and pretty much everyone does, the question is, how do you enhance freedom? And the answer is obvious. You can't enhance freedom without giving people choice. So more freedom means more well-being, and more choice means more freedom. And so it follows, as the night the day, that the more choice people have, the better off they are. This seems to me to be almost unassailable. It's logically powerful. The only trouble is that it is psychologically false. It ain't true. And the research that I and others have done in the last 10 or 15 years has shown that when people have too much choice, bad stuff happens. And again, I'm going to do this very fast. The first bad thing that happens is that people are paralyzed. With everything at their disposal, they can't pull the trigger. Instead of being liberated by all this choice, they're paralyzed by all this choice. The second bad thing that happens is if they overcome paralysis and choose, they are likely to choose badly. People make bad decisions even in simple environments. Well, you can just imagine how much worse the decisions are when the environments get complex. And let me assure you that choosing among 60 or 70 Medicare Part D prescription drug plans is complex enough to challenge anyone, even the people in this room, let alone their aging grandparents and parents. The third bad thing that happens is if you overcome paralysis and choose, and if you get lucky and you choose well, people end up less satisfied with good choices if they're chosen from large choice sets than if they're chosen from small ones. It is always easy to imagine when you encounter any imperfection in any item or activity that you have chosen, it is easy to imagine that some alternative out there would have been better. And so you compare how good the thing is with how good you expect it to be, and you end up disappointed.